What's the meaning of Arthur Rackham? Arthur Rackham. Arthur Rackham.
Arthur Rackham. Arthur Rackham. Arthur Rackham was an English illustrator who lived during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential illustrators of his time, known for his whimsical and imaginative illustrations that brought fairy tales and children's stories to life. Rackham's work often featured intricate lines and detailed patterns, creating a magical and dreamlike quality that captivated readers of all ages. His legacy continues today, with his illustrations still inspiring artists and enchanting audiences around the world.